Okay, so I'm going to show you how to change your oil. What you need is probably some gloves, something to get the filter off, oil, wrenches, filter, speaker for tunes, and Halloween candy. Step 1, get a car. Step 2, pop the hood. Step whatever, go back inside because you forgot your oil pan. Step 8, 10 mil wrench. Step 9, bolt. Step 10, learn how to hold camera and unfasten bolt and then realize you have the wrong head. Step 12, get the right socket. Coincidentally, number 12. Now do the bolt. And twist it the right way. Oh, and then realize it's a 14! 14! Step 14, use 14 mil. Except it was put on by me, so I'm an idiot and I put it on too tight. Make sure your oil pan is beneath the bolt and the filter. The filter is on it. Twisty. Twisty, 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 twist, 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 and get your hand out of the way. Not like me. Wait till it drains. Word to the wise, leave your fill cap on so that you have a little bit of back pressure and it doesn't come all the way out on you. Well, once you're up here, you can take it off. Yeah, it's pretty much done. Step 14 and a half, keep waiting till it's done. Step 12, put your drain plug in. And don't over tighten it with your 14 millimeter ratchet. That's good. Step 19, fuel filter. Step 19 and a half, refuse to go buy an oil wrench and use all your man strength to get it off. Also, make sure it's underneath the oil pan and cover yourself in oil. Filter swap. Back to man hands. And pray to God it doesn't fall out. Or somebody. You have everything tightened down under there, you can put the oil in. Put 4 liters of oil into your Subaru Outback without a funnel. Now I'll put the cap back on. And since we're clearly on step 27, we'll check beneath, make sure there's no oil dripping from the car. We're good. And now we'll cycle it over to get the oil going through it and see how she runs. We'll check the oil here in a second too. Nothing's dripping. we got nice clean-ish oil. There's probably still a little bit left in the at the bottom of the pan, but that's okay. That'll cycle through. That'll be good. Always use reusable rags because, you know, we're burning dinosaurs, so we got to do something good for the environment. My oil weight's still on, so that must mean it needs a second to cycle through and do some stuff and reset the system. We'll go back out and check for leaks one more time and then take it for a drive. No leaks, and I can't hear my heat shield, so that's good. Clean up by taking your filter and putting it back in the box that the new one came in, and empty your oil into an old oil jug and take that back to a receptacle where you can dispose of it. Gonna fire it up again. And the oil weight's still on, but we'll see what happens after a little drive around. She's driving pretty smooth now, I'll give you that. I could feel the power because when I took it out, I noticed that there was less than 3 liters of oil still in the car. That was what the dirty oil level was, and now we have 4, so we have a lot more compression and stuff, so that's good. A lot more oil pressure for sure. Now, as you can see, after a little bit of driving, our oil light has disappeared. And that's how to change your oil. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe only if you want to. Don't bother hitting the bell. You'll come back if you want to, and I know you will. Alright, enjoy yourselves.